Friends, I'm your sir, Zahur sir. So today I am with you with the condition 2 of the projection of planes. The condition is plane is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So we have two principal planes, as you know. We have a vertical plane and we have a horizontal plane, and there is one more plane, that is the plane ABCD. This plane is perpendicular to the VP and the same plane is parallel to the HP. So we have to draw its orthographic view. So how we can draw it? So if we see this plane from the top, the rectangle can be seen as a true in the top view, and if we see it from the front end, so what we can see only a CD line. That line can be seen on VP. Fine. So what I mean, if I produce this line, so if I join these lines, so this is a plane which can be seen as a true in its top view. So this was my A, and this is B, C, and D. So if I look it from the front, so I can see only the line, that is CD. So if I produce this line up to the vertical plane, I can see a line. So if I look at, I can see C prime and D prime. Same way I know C prime has A prime behind. So the behind comes in brackets. So C prime brackets A prime and D prime brackets B prime, which comes behind. So how we can draw this in the orthographic view? So we have to start with XY line. So let's draw the XY line, this XY line, and we have to rotate this horizontal plane. So this is my XY line. So we have to start with the top view. So top view was the rectangle which was true in the top view. So let's draw the rectangle. So this is my top view. So near to XY line is A and B. Away to XY line is C and D. So if I produce these lines as I did in the above case, if I produce this line, that means if I look it from here in the front view, which can be drawn in VP, so I can see C and D as a line. So it can be seen as a line, that is C prime and D prime. As I said in the above case, the C has a behind A, so behind A means in brackets A prime and B prime. That's how it will come in the orthographic view. I hope you understood this question. So be with me for the future questions and future conditions. Thank you very much for watching me.